We got for I think 3300. It cost us 15,000 rupees. So we are at the University of Kashmir और यहाँ पे आपको autumn उसकी full glory में देखने को मिलेगी. Also guys, before we get started, our brand partner for today's video is Navi. Now if you also wish to become a travel content creator like me, लेकिन budget की थोड़ी सी constraint है या फिर if you want to go on a luxurious vacation but you feel like you're low on funds, Navi currently offers personal and home loans through a very simple to use app. You can avail Navi personal loans for up to 5 lakh rupees through a completely digital and hassle-free process. You also get to enjoy zero pre-closure, low interest rates starting at 12%, no hidden charges and minimum documentation required. Just like more than 8 lakh customers of Navi. You can also avail these loans for home renovation, small businesses, marriages or even a vacation. Navi has more than 10 plus years of NBFC experience and it is also an RBI registered NBFC, and they disbursed more than 1800 crores in loans in the financial year of 2021. With more than 700 plus happy home owners, you can also become one of them by checking out the link in the description box below and get your personal or home loan approved by Navi today. So tonight for dinner after Kashmir University, we are back to Adhus restaurant. Yes. And we are trying something very interesting over here. So the dish is called Bam Shoot.
Which is an apple dish.
It's an apple sabzi, that too, not even just a dish. We are also having some kebabs.
Yeah.
And kava. So what I have over here is the traditional kava vessel. इसे समावा बोलते हैं और इसमें अंदर एक जगह पे कोल होता है एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज हॉट वाटर. सो कावा इज गेटिंग प्रिपेयर्ड इनसाइड दिस वेसल ओनली. I can't believe this is apple.
I can't stop eating. Like I was just like you were talking, I was like making my bite already.
हाँ, it's like apple. It's made up of queen apples and it's so delicious. अगर आप vegetarian हैं, 100% would recommend you should try this. I am mind blown. Back at the Ghat 19A. And the one thing about staying in a houseboat is कि या तो आप पूरा दिन हाउसबोट के अंदर ही रहो, बट अगर आप हमारे जैसे हो जिनको बाहर घूमना है तो आपको वहाँ पे पहले बोट लेके जाना होता है एंड देन बोट लेके आना होता है. और कश्मीर में बहुत ठंडी है, ऐसा यहाँ पे एक जनाब बोल रहे हैं पीछे.
बम्बई का फैशन, कश्मीर का मौसम.
ओह वाह, क्या लाइन बोला आपने. यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक अंगीठी सी है हाथ गर्म करने के लिए
जो इन्होंने छुपाई हुई थी अपने अंदर.
सर आपका नाम क्या है.
मेरा नाम विलायत.
विलायत. कितनी ठंड लग रही है आकांक्षा.
मुझे तो वैसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है तो आई एम फ्रीजिंग.
हम लाइक करते हैं ऐसा वेदर.
अच्छा
आपको पसंद है. आप भी लेके घूम रहे हैं, दिखाइए. अरे वाह.
इसके अंदर कोयला डालते हैं.
हाँ.
मतलब ऐसा कोयला डालते हैं जिसमें 12 घंटे निकलते हैं.
अच्छा. और फिर इसे फेरन के अंदर कैसे डालते हैं.
के अंदर ऐसे होना चाहिए. देखो ऐसे करना है.
हाँ.
फिर ऐसे एक हाथ से अंदर से लेना.
ओहो ओहो.
मैं विंटर वाइफ.
विंटर वाइफ.
You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away.
अच्छा but it's garam. Wow.
That's such a good touch.
Very nice.
Every second.
They have a bathtub, so I'm just drawing a bath at the moment. And all their products are also very good. They're all Kama Ayurveda products. I'm so excited about the bathtub. It's been so long. It's fully fogging up over here. Wow. Can't wait to just step inside. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning guys. It's 5:45 AM right now, and right now is the time that we have to leave for the sunrise shikara. And that is one of the experiences which is very very unique and nice over here, and plus you get to see the vegetable and the flower market at this time. This is our shikara. Look at the horizon, it's so misty. So you have to sit back all the way.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is so good. We have a blanket everybody, and this blanket ke niche we also have a hot water bottle, and this was provided to us by Sukoon. This is literally sukoon, yaar. This is serious sukoon, no?
Honest to God. Imagine sitting in the middle of the lake in a blanket with a hot water bottle in a shikara.
Such mein.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Very good. How are you?
I'm good. Where are you from?
Delhi.
I'm selling Kashmir flowers. खिड़की से शॉपिंग करो. दूसरा नाम है लिली. Don't be silly.
So cute.
सुबह के लिए शाम को मिले. For you present.
Thank you.
Oh, so cute.
इसका नाम है डेजी. Don't be lazy. देखो मैडम. ले लिया पम पम.
कितने का है बल्ब से
पसंद करो ना
बताइए?
क्या चाहिए. आप भी खुश हम भी खुश. ये 2 हाइसेंट है.
2 हाइसिंथ, ठीक है. और ये 6 लिलीज.
6 लिली.
कौन सा टाइप का लिली है? वैरायटी
Peace
कौन सा
lily.
है? पीस लिली. ओह वाओ.
इसका नाम है लिली. Don't be silly. I'm selling कश्मीर की कली. सुबह चली शाम को. Okay. You are happy?
हाँ, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
What is your boat name again?
Mr. Marvelous Flower में.
Thank
दूसरा
you,
नाम है
Ali.
चंद्रमुखी. दिल सुखी दुनिया दुखी.
Good morning. Assalamualaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम.
So we've reached the floating vegetable market and it's literally 7 AM right now and यहाँ पे सब लोग बहुत ही active है. Everybody is in the mood to make some sales and I love how this whole ecosystem works. पहले ज़माने में houseboats actually house guests के लिए नहीं होते थे. They were mostly actual houses of people because people used to go out fishing and live in those houses and these floating markets also came up because people started living on water and land में जगह कम थी because पेड़ बहुत ज़्यादा थे.
इसमें आलमंड, वॉलनट, कैशोनट, हनी, सेफ्रॉन, कर्डमम, सिनेमम, जिंजर, चाय पत्ती, रोज लीव्स, दिस इज जिंजर, नींबू. कश्मीर को बोलता है कैशमोर.
Cashmore.
हाँ.
Oh,
कैश
nice.
खत्म और लाओ.
और लाओ. Thank you. गरम गरम कावा बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है. You've already had, no?
Yeah, it was so good. Honestly, that's how I'm surviving. Kava.
So this platform that we are getting on is completely sleet and icy. So it's also very slippery, but we really wanted to get on this platform because it looks so gorgeous. Just look at it. And also the vegetable market has completely dispersed by now. कुछ ही ऐसे 2-3 बोट्स ही रहती हैं अभी तो हमारे साथ जो यहाँ पे दानिश भाई हैं वो बोल रहे थे कि हम लोग थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए थे आने में.
लेकिन आप बताइए कि समर टाइम पे कितने बजे आना चाहिए?
समर में लगभग 5 बजे.
5 बजे.
like proper 5 बजे.
हाँ 5 बजे आपको.
एंड आई थिंक ऑटम में अराउंड 6 AM है ना?
6:30 लगभग. हाँ.
I like how your multi-layered caps are showing. Wow, this is such a good platter. I love how इसमें छोटा सा sprinkled अनार भी है. You can't even see the view properly actually. थोड़ा beyond a certain point, everything is white.
I know.
So we came back from the Shikara ride a while back and it was extremely cold towards the end. So हम लोग जैसे ही वापस आए, we just snuck into our beds and हमने थोड़ी देर relax किया, got a little warm and also because this whole place is heated, it's very nice and convenient. हमारा room भी heated है, तो हमने वहाँ का भी heater on कर दिया और हम लोग थोड़े से warm up and cozy हो चुके हैं अब. It is genuinely so cold right now in November. मैं सोच रही थी कि December और January में लोग यहाँ पे कैसे survive करते हैं, which is why they have these unique things such as वो अंगीठी फेरन के नीचे. But otherwise, I think the hospitality over here is great and also these little things are very helpful to stay warm. और अब हम लोग बस एक बहुत ही lavish breakfast खाने वाले हैं because we've ordered in so much. What a fancy breakfast, यार. Akanksha has taken over the vlog today, guys.
I've taken over the vlog. This is my. Oh, I have to look here. This is how you practice and get
How
to
heavy
it.
is the camera?
It's so heavy and so unnecessary.
You can also start on your phone, of course.
Anyway, so what we're doing right now is packing because as always we've gotten late because we were talking.
Before this trip, we were strangers and we'd only met for 5 hours. But now we just can't stop talking.
Honestly, and it feels like we've lived the same lives just at different time periods. It's very crazy.
Yeah. We've had such crazy experiences and all alike because we're both travelers and from the travel community.
And also army.
And also
So
from the army background, like Fauji backgrounds.
Yeah.
Her father is also serving currently. My father has retired because I'm older than her. It's crazy how much we relate with each other.
Okay, and now I'm relating with everyone who says their hand hurts when they vlog, so see ya.
Just packing.
And how's
We're
that
checking
going?
out and by the way going to a very nice place. So we are all packed up and ready to leave from this place. And before I check out our Sukoon houseboat, मुझे बस आपको बताना था कि how did I like the experience of staying here. We had really good Wi-Fi over here. All the phone network was a little patchy, but internet was working just fine. So काम में कोई रुकावट नहीं आई हमारे. So heating facility is also there because it's extremely cold because you're surrounded by water. The bed was very comfortable, had a spring mattress and a double quilt. So that was also very comfortable. The bathtub, which I really loved. And overall, I think it was a very comfortable stay. There was a boat on arrival and also whenever we wanted to go to mainland. And they also organized the Shikara boat for us in the morning with blankets, hot water bottles, kava and also some cakes. So that was also a very good touch. The cost of the Shikara was 1200 rupees, which I think for the facility was great. It was absolutely wonderful. And I think even if you're coming in a group of 3 people, if this place, the base room, the basic room costs about 15,000 rupees on a good day when you feel like splurging, you can split it and still have a really lovely time over here. So it'll be worth every penny. Thank you, bye. बहुत अच्छा स्टे रहा हमारा, thank you. By the way, guys, let me tell you who's here. Hi, Meer.
वेलकम बैक अगेन.
So nice to meet
कैसे हो
you.
आप?
कैसे हो?
बढ़िया बढ़िया. आप कैसे हो?
मैं बढ़िया एकदम.
क्या ऐसे ही
Sorry आपको वेट करा दिया बहुत ज़्यादा.
12:40 आ रहे हो.
मैंने ना मीर को बोला था बस हम लोग पहुँच रहे हैं, बस हम लोग पहुँच रहे हैं 10 मिनट में 10 मिनट में 10 मिनट में और बहुत टाइम हो गया. सॉरी. ओके, कैसे हो आप?
मैं बढ़िया. आप कैसे हो?
बढ़िया. Now we are here at our third and final property in Srinagar. Actually, आज हमारा final day भी है यहाँ पे because today is a Sunday and we were here just for the weekend, the long weekend. So today we are at a property called Nadis and it's a little farther away from the main town. But the USP of this property is that it's in between all of this lush greenery if you come in the summer and a lot of chinar trees if you come here in the autumn. It's based on this very nice and scenic road. Also the property itself is very beautiful. यहाँ पे सारा woodwork की carving है ceiling पे. The interiors of this room are looking amazing and also there's a lot of space. So overall I love the vibe of the place. The interiors especially are so out of the world. A little bit on the pricey side. So in this video we wanted to cover all 3 options. 1, a budget property. 2, a houseboat. And 3rd, a pricey property for you. This, if I'm being honest, is a collaboration between us and the property because Akanksha and I are both content creators. But otherwise, if you book this place, the room rent for a basic room is around 8,000 rupees. Meer got us these fairans from his home just so that we can wear them around in Kashmir and they're looking so
nice.
pretty. आज मैं इतनी ज़्यादा खुश हूँ ना. आज मीर ने मेरा दिल एकदम खुश कर दिया. दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट डे इन श्रीनगर एवर क्योंकि मेरे को कभी ऐसे लगा नहीं था कि मैं यहाँ पे ड्राइव कर पाऊँगी बट आज जो करने को मिल रहा है थैंक्स टू मीर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. दिल खुश एकदम. अभी हम क्योंकि एक लोकल के साथ घूम रहे हैं श्रीनगर में तो वो हम एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सी जगह लेके आए हैं. पोलो रोड में एक मार्केट लगती है संडे को विच इज़ कॉल्ड संडे मार्केट. मतलब संडे को लगती है तो इसलिए संडे मार्केट नाम है उसका. बट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट इज़ कि यहाँ पे आपको बहुत अच्छी अच्छी आइटम्स मिलेंगी एट स्टील अवे प्राइसेस. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे वीकेंड पे आ रहे हैं, आई थिंक संडे मार्केट कैन बी वन ऑफ योर शॉपिंग डेस्टिनेशंस इफ यू आर इनटू इट। तो हम लोग भी जाके देखने वाले हैं कि कितनी अच्छी मार्केट है, जितनी अच्छी मीर बोलते हैं वैसी है कि नहीं है।
₹250 ढाई हनतन 250
फाइनली उस जगह पे आ गए हैं जिस जगह पे हमें डे 1 पे आना था, प्रगति, हु वी मेट इन Adu's hotel. She recommended that you should really visit this place called Chai Jai, which is a cafe here. It's a tea room actually, not just a cafe. So we'll get all kinds of exotic teas over here and hopefully something to eat as well, क्योंकि हमें बहुत भूख लग रही है। And मीर हमें लेके आए हैं यहाँ तक, तो चलो कुछ खाते हैं।
Before the sun appears, before the world has even stirred, let's get out of here.
So, सबसे पहली बात तो चाय जाए के बाद हमने श्रीनगर की एक बहुत लंबी ड्राइव की एंड आई थॉरली एंजॉयड इट बिकॉज एक तो मुझे ड्राइविंग करना बहुत पसंद है, ऊपर से मीर की गाड़ी थी यहाँ पे। और अभी हम लोग आए हैं एक जगह में जिसका नाम है दरगाह रोड एंड यहाँ पे बहुत सारी स्ट्रीट शॉप्स हैं वेयर यू कैन गेट अ लॉट ऑफ लोकल डेलिकेसीज लाइक दीज रियली ह्यूमंगस पराठास, पकौड़ास, हलवा। So I'm so glad that we have a local here with us who's showing us around. You should definitely come to Dargah Road.
Wish you were here, weather. Let's get lost together. 'Cause if we don't, I know that I won't even last another year. At your shoulders, sufficient in our ears. There's a whole wide world about to unfurl, not so far from here. So let's get lost together.
So we're back to our hotel room at Nadiz. I must mention that this place is a little farther away from Srinagar main town. और especially अगर आप ऐसे टाइप के पर्सन हैं जिनको थोड़ा हसल बसल से दूर रहना है and you want to enjoy something which is closer to nature but a little farther away from the main town, then you can consider staying here, especially if you're traveling with family. Thank you. I love how bottles over here are not plastic.
100%.
Yeah. Okay guys, it's very early in the morning now. I think it's 5 AM right now and we're leaving for the airport because I have an 8 AM flight on a Monday to get back to work. My stay over here at Nadiz has been amazing and last night the dinner was really good. But after that we also spoke to the property manager and he told us about a bunch of really nice places over here. And I feel like I wish I had more time and I had a longer time than just this weekend to just come and stay over here and explore all the nice places nearby which are closer to nature. But nevertheless, I'm sure I'm going to be back. And with this, I'm going to close the video right here. I hope you enjoyed the experience of this entire vlog. Let's say goodbye to Akanksha as well. Bye! So we are just going to catch our flight back and it was a very beautiful trip overall. I hope you like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye guys.